Are you one of those persons that only think about price, size, and maybe comfort when purchasing a sofa? If your answer is yes, you might be doing it wrong all this time. In this video, I will be sharing with you some common mistakes that people make when purchasing a sofa and how we can fix them. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. The first mistake that I see people make when buying a sofa is not knowing the measurement of the space that they're going to put the sofa. Or rather, not knowing measurements. Measurements can be the width of your doorway, the width of the elevator if you're going upstairs, the width of the stairs as well. Too many times I see people pulling sofa over balcony. They have to take off their doorposts in order for the sofa to go through. The sofa cannot fit up the stairs. These are common mistakes people make. Are you one of those persons? So have you ever seen somebody pull a sofa over a balcony? If yes, comment down below. So these are common mistakes that you can fix. Try to know the measurement of the space that you're going to put the sofa. For example, if you're going to put it in your living room, you can tape out the area that you want the sofa to go, then you can measure the area so that when you go to that furniture store, you can measure the sofa before taking it home. This will prevent you from getting a refund or not getting the sofa that you actually like. So try to fix that mistake. Another mistake that people make when purchasing a sofa is not thinking about the type of fabric that they need. For example, do you have children at home? Do you have pets at home? Is the fabric that you're going to purchase water resistant? Is it also stain resistant or rather waterproof? These are things you need to consider. Also, is it claw proof? When I say claw proof, there are certain pets that love to scrape the side of your sofa. You have to think about the fabric type as well. Are you going to get a velvet sofa? Are you going to get a leather sofa? A microfiber sofa? You know, leather sofa as well go with your climate. Some persons normally say in the cold time it gets cold and in the warm time it gets very warm. So these are certain things you need to consider when purchasing a sofa as well. Is the sofa fabric a rough fabric or is it a soft fabric so that when you're relaxing you're comfortable in that sofa? Please consider the type of fabric when you're purchasing your sofa as well, as that's one common mistake that people always make. Another mistake that people normally make when choosing a sofa is not choosing the right color. Your sofa will be a focal point in your living space. Try to choose a sofa that is a neutral color that can be easily to decorate around. Try to avoid printed sofa. Try to go as solid as possible. The accent chairs and so can always be printed. Think about the other furniture pieces that you have around the home. Think about the children or pet that you have at home. Imagine having a white sofa with children that are going to mess it up or also pets that are going to mess it up. These are things you need to consider when choosing the color. So try not to go with your bright or favorite color. Think about the decor pieces that you're going to use around the sofa. Remember, sofa is a long-term home investment that you want to have. So try to avoid choosing the wrong color and not only just your favorite color. Another mistake that people make when purchasing a sofa is not thinking about the comfort of the sofa. You might be saying, of course, I think about the comfort of a sofa when I'm buying. You might be thinking about the softness or the firmness, right? Well, it's more to it than just that. Have you ever thought about the backrest of the sofa? Have you ever think about if the sofa have cushions that can pull out or so? Have you ever think about the depth of the sofa? Can it fit a short person or a tall person comfortably? Have you think about the armrests of the sofa? These are certain comfort we have to think about when purchasing a sofa. So comfort is not only the softness or the firmness, it goes a long way. There are many things we have to consider with comfort. Remember, I spoke about fabric. Well, the fabric type also plays in with comfort. You can imagine you're sitting on a sofa which is a leather sofa and it's very hot or it's very cold. Is that comfortable? No, it's not. So please consider these when you're thinking about the comfort of the sofa. So there are many things that we have to think about when purchasing a sofa as it relates to the comfort. And another thing to consider when purchasing a sofa is thinking about the type of sofa. Will it be a sectional you're going to purchase? Will it be a one-piece sofa? Will it be a three-piece sofa with two single seaters? Or will it be a three-piece, two-piece, one-piece sofa? These are other things you need to take into consideration, and don't forget my previous tips on how to choose a sofa. If you love this video, you will love my next video on the screen right here. So thank you again for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. See you on this video.